How are you, dear my students? I am also fine by the grace of Almighty of Allah of the whole universe. Today I am going to discuss about the grammatical item, definition of narration, classification and senses of narration. At first, we will know that what is narration. Narration means the method of quoting the speech of a speaker. There are two types of narration. Number one, direct narration. Direct narration. Number two, indirect narration. DIRECT, indirect narration. What is direct narration? When the speech is quoted or reported in the actual words used by the speaker, it is called the direct narration. And what is indirect narration? When the speech is quoted or reported in the form of the narration of the another reporter is called the indirect narration. Example, Riyad said to me, did you see the accident? Riyad said to me, did you see the accident? It is a direct narration. There are two types of direct narration. Number one, reporting verb. Reporting verb. And number two, reported speech. Reported speech. Reported speech. What is reporting verb? The finite verb is used before the reported speech is called the reporting verb. And the reported speech is the speech of the speaker or a person narrated by himself or herself. Example, Hamid says to me, I will die for my motherland. This sentence, Hamid says to me, is a reporting verb, and I will die for my motherland is a reported speech. And this quotation name is inverted comma. INVERT is inverted comma. Okay. Now I will discuss about how to change the direct narration to indirect narration. There are many rules included here. Number one, what sense? What sense? Number two, person sense. Number three, tense sense. I will discuss it one by one. At first, I will discuss what sense of direct narration. direct, indirect. This, that, TICSE, these, those. Come, here. Ago, before. Thus, so. Now, then, today, that day. Tonight, tonight, that night. Hence, thence, Haidar, HITACR, Haidar, Daidar. Haidar, Daidar. Yesterday, yesterday, the previous day. PREVIOUSDAY, previous day. Tomorrow, ROW, tomorrow, the next day, the next day. Last year, last month, last week, last night, last night. The previous, PREVIOUS, the previous year oblique night, month, oblique week, oblique night. Okay? Okay. I will discuss the another rules on the other day. Thank you, all the students. May Allah bless you.